we'll be listening after 9.
Great stuff, mate.
Good on
Love
you,
hearing
mate.
it.
Luke Grant is coming up, and in a moment we'll see if we can sneak in Spiro chatting to Harry Garside.
2GB traffic, thanks to Supple. That's S-U-P-P-L-E.
Just been watching a crash at Narrabeen. We've got 3 cars and a motorbike that are stopped on the Gore Hill Freeway City Van. They're just past the Willoughby Road overpass and the traffic's very heavy. It's back into the Lane Cove Tunnel. At Linfield, a crash on the Pacific Highway.
According to the liquidators, there are indications that some assets on the books were overvalued, which affects how much liquidity a company has in terms of being able to pay back your debts.
Okay. So, is it the liquidator that says the company may have been trading whilst insolvent?
Yes.
And that's against the law in Australia, against the Corporations Act?
It's an offence as a director to prevent insolvent trading, but there are defences available to directors. That makes sense. And also, look, we've spoken to a creditor of the company, and he said his dealings with Mr. Christopherly were actually quite good. He said he was a straight talker. When he said, hey, look, I'm going to pay you a debt, he did pay it.
So he paid his debts. So what has David Christopherly said about this subsequent, since this information has come out? Anything we know?
From the liquidator's report, he hasn't commented on it. We've sent a copy of the liquidator's report and put the questions to him, and we said, look, do you contest any of it? What factors would you describe? And we haven't, unfortunately, been able to get a comment from his office.
So no comment from David Christopherly yet. There's a question, he may have joined the company when it was already trading insolvent. Is that, am I understanding you correctly? So it's not clear as to whether it occurred whilst he was there or prior to him joining the board.
So what the liquidators say in the report is our investigations indicate the company appears to have traded insolvent from at least 1 December 2015. That's the day he starts as a director, the sole director.
He was the only director?
He was the only director.
So he must have known, or legally should have known.
Again, there are defences though as to,
Counter or kiosk, grab your choice of 2 burgers plus a small fries and a small soft drink for $6.95. Available 10:30 a.m. Rating restaurants, excludes McDelivery.
A help company would offer anyone can drive it cover because we don't want a minor scrape to your car, putting a strain on a friendship or creating family drama. So that's what we're doing. Visit us in branch or search anyone can drive it cover from NRMA Insurance, a help company. Excesses may apply. Refer to your certificate of insurance. Cover is subject to standard underwriting guidelines and policy terms. Always read the PDS and TMDs from NRMA Insurance at nrma.com.au.
Lano, how can we help customers shop better?
Ask the right person, Mum.
Jasmine, how can we help customers shop better?
No, I mean at Bingley. You're asking the right person. In-store, online, or on your phone. They're here to help.
Whether you're browsing online, scrolling on your phone, or visiting a store, our team is ready to help you find the right product and the best value.
Exactly.
That's what I said.
Jasmine said it's better.
Jasmine.
You'll always shop better at Bingley.
Bingley, better living every day.
This program is presented with the permission of the International Olympic Committee and may not be reproduced or retransmitted in any form without the express prior written consent of the International Olympic Committee.
You're listening to Ben Fordham live on 2GB. Discover the latest big screen TVs from leading brands and Bingley. Better living every day.
Really, so Harry's out of the Olympics. He's lost his opening bout of the competition.
Prepare to turn right. In 300 metres, turn right onto Cabbage Point Road.